The auto industry is witnessing a seismic shift, and Toyota is at the center of the action with an unprecedented $6.5 billion investment solely in electric vehicles. Pre-EVs, after 40 years in the industry, I've never seen a transformation of this scale. Toyota, one of the world's largest and most resilient automakers, has thrived since its founding in 1937, weathering countless challenges. Now, the rise of EVs poses a new test for the company. With climate change pressing us to phase out combustion engines, the path to a net-zero future has never been more urgent. Rumors of the combustion engine's demise might be exaggerated for now, but the stakes are high. In response, Toyota's CEO has introduced a revolutionary new engine. Will this innovation secure Toyota's future, or will EVs disrupt the company's dominance? Stick with us as we explore Toyota's groundbreaking invention, its strategic position, and its outlook on the EV revolution. Toyota's production scale is unmatched, with over 10 million vehicles manufactured annually and a staggering 300 million units produced to date. From economical sedans to luxury SUVs, Toyota has consistently delivered versatile models that dominate the market, yet the affordability and efficiency of EVs have shifted consumer preferences. As the automotive industry increasingly shifts towards electric cars, with brands like Jaguar, Chrysler, Aston Martin, Rolls-Royce, Maserati, Opel, and Volvo planning to phase out fuel and diesel-powered vehicles, Toyota is charting its own unique path. Electric models of cars are projected to dominate the market by the end of the decade. Shockingly, Toyota's luxury brand, Lexus, has promised to stop selling vehicles with combustion engines by 2035. What impact will it have on the brand if they eventually transition to producing electric cars? Recently, Toyota showcased an electric car prototype with just 3 wheels, the KPIX-5. The prototype, test-driven by Toyota enthusiasts, reflects the brand's exploration of alternative technologies. Toyota's CEO, Akio Toyoda, believes that battery electric vehicles are just one of many solutions to achieve global carbon neutrality. However, he has expressed reservations about fully committing to EV production, citing constraints such as insufficient charging infrastructure. Globally, around 1 billion people lack consistent access to electricity, a major challenge for EV adoption in such areas. Toyota's combustion engine products remain in high demand. As a result, Toyota has invested in hydrogen-powered engines which they believe offer greater value and profitability. Hydrogen engines operate uniquely, leveraging direct injection systems, spray-guided technology, and a bi-turbo system for lightning-fast reactions. Unlike traditional hydrogen vehicles with cumbersome high-pressure storage tanks, Toyota's hydrogen engines employ water tanks equipped with electrodes. When high voltage is applied, water is split into hydrogen and oxygen through electrolysis. The hydrogen is then directed into combustion chambers where it ignites similarly to natural gas. This innovative process produces nearly zero emissions, a feature even advanced EVs have yet to achieve. Furthermore, hydrogen engines avoid the environmental drawbacks associated with extracting rare earth metals for EV batteries. Beyond ecological advantages, Toyota's hydrogen engines are user-friendly. Vehicles with this engine can be refueled with distilled water, a resource that is abundant and easy to store. This contrasts sharply with the logistical challenges of charging EVs or maintaining hydrogen storage tanks. While hydrogen storage requires heavily monitored high-pressure tanks to prevent leaks, water storage is simple and inexpensive. Hydrogen engines also face challenges such as high production costs and strict maintenance requirements, which have hindered widespread adoption. Toyota's water-powered engines, however, promise practicality for everyday use. These engines are not only environmentally friendly but also powerful, matching and even surpassing the performance of traditional gasoline engines. They can generate up to 3 times more energy compared to gasoline counterparts. This breakthrough has the potential to outshine both electric and traditional engines, heralding a new era in the automotive market. As these engines gain traction, they could revolutionize the industry, positioning Toyota as a leader in innovative and sustainable automotive technology. With the growing global emphasis on reducing carbon emissions and finding sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels, Toyota's hydrogen-powered engine technology could play a crucial role in shaping the future of transportation. Unlike conventional electric vehicles that rely on lithium-ion batteries which require rare earth metals and extensive mining operations, Toyota's hydrogen engines utilize a cleaner and more sustainable energy source. This innovation not only minimizes environmental damage but also addresses key concerns associated with battery production, such as resource depletion, waste disposal, and the carbon footprint of battery manufacturing. While electric vehicles have gained widespread popularity in recent years, one of their biggest challenges remains the infrastructure required for charging. Many regions around the world still lack a well-developed charging network, making EV ownership impractical in certain areas, especially in developing nations or remote locations where electricity supply is inconsistent. In contrast, hydrogen-powered vehicles offer a promising alternative, as they can be refueled quickly and efficiently, similar to traditional gasoline vehicles. Instead of waiting hours for an EV battery to recharge, hydrogen cars can be refueled in just minutes, offering convenience and practicality for everyday use. However, one of the key barriers to widespread hydrogen adoption has been the issue of storage and distribution. Hydrogen storage requires heavily monitored high-pressure tanks to prevent leaks, adding complexity and cost to the overall system. Additionally, the infrastructure for hydrogen refueling stations is still in its infancy, with only a limited number of stations available worldwide compared to the rapidly expanding electric vehicle charging network. Despite these challenges, Toyota has been making significant advancements in hydrogen technology, working on solutions to improve the safety, efficiency, and affordability of hydrogen storage and distribution. The company's latest water-powered engine design seeks to overcome some of these challenges by simplifying the hydrogen extraction process, eliminating the need for high-pressure storage tanks, and instead using water as a source of hydrogen through electrolysis. Toyota's water-powered engines hold the potential to transform the automotive industry, not only by providing a viable alternative to gasoline and battery electric vehicles, but also by addressing many of the environmental concerns associated with existing transportation solutions. These engines operate uniquely, utilizing advanced direct injection system spray-guided technology and a bi-turbo system to enhance performance and efficiency. Unlike traditional hydrogen vehicles that rely on bulky and complex storage solutions, Toyota's innovative design employs water tanks equipped with electrodes, allowing for the direct conversion of water into hydrogen and oxygen through electrolysis. The extracted hydrogen is then directed into combustion chambers, where it ignites similarly to natural gas, generating energy with almost zero emissions. This breakthrough is particularly significant because it eliminates one of the major criticisms of electric vehicles' battery disposal. Currently, EV batteries have a limited lifespan, and the process of recycling or disposing of them presents environmental challenges. By contrast, Toyota's hydrogen engines produce clean energy without relying on finite resources, making them a more sustainable solution in the long run. Moreover, these engines are designed to be powerful and efficient, matching and in some cases even surpassing the performance of traditional gasoline engines. Tests have shown that Toyota's hydrogen-powered vehicles can generate up to 3 times more energy compared to gasoline-powered counterparts, making them not only environmentally friendly but also highly competitive in terms of power and range. Looking ahead, the success of Toyota's hydrogen engine technology will depend on multiple factors, including government support, infrastructure development, and consumer acceptance. If policymakers prioritize investments in hydrogen refueling stations and create incentives for manufacturers to develop hydrogen-powered vehicles, this technology could gain significant traction. Additionally, public perception and education will play a crucial role in driving adoption. Many consumers are still unfamiliar with hydrogen-powered vehicles and their benefits, and widespread awareness campaigns will be needed to highlight the advantages of this alternative energy source. As more automakers explore sustainable alternatives to gasoline and diesel engines, Toyota's pioneering efforts in hydrogen technology could set a new benchmark for the industry. If hydrogen-powered engines become mainstream, they could revolutionize the way we think about transportation, making cars not only more environmentally friendly but also more efficient and accessible. With ongoing advancements in hydrogen technology and increasing global efforts to reduce carbon emissions, Toyota's innovative approach could ultimately shape the future of the automotive market and redefine sustainable mobility for generations to come.